When it comes to their homeowner's policy, most homeowners are clueless as to what is in their policy. They think it works like an auto policy. They don't know what type of policy they have and what is covered in it. With this lack of knowledge, the homeowner is often at the mercy of the insurance adjuster, falling for every gotcha and trick the insurance adjusters throw at them. When you know the different type of policies, and that they all follow the same guidelines laid out in what is called an ISO policy, it becomes clear what to expect in different companies' policies. Once you know this simple little rule, it is very easy to know if something is covered. First, is there damage? If so, what peril would this damage be covered under? After that, all you need to know is, are there any exclusions, and has the homeowner met all the conditions laid out in the policy? After that, the focus shifts towards the scope of the damage, and how much is in the estimate. This doesn't mean that the policy will not expand payments to our clients under additional coverages, however. Let's go through 2 examples of how you can use this knowledge to get more for the homeowner. Once, we had a client that had ice-damming water damage in his kitchen. The part that threw the insurance adjuster for a loop was that we were having the wallpaper covered by a pairs and sets clause. Most adjusters only use the pairs and sets clause for personal contents, but because we understood policy, the client was paid for it. If your friend hits your home with his car, it's covered by your homeowner's policy. The subrogates to his auto policy. But if your car hits your home, it's covered by your auto policy. Insurance adjusters don't know a wide variety of policies, so they make assumptions. It's the difference between replacement cost and actual cash value, which is replacement cost minus depreciation. We teach you by properly breaking down each part to an area that is learnable. And we give it to you so you can read it, hear it being read, and we give you a video workshop to make it clear and easy. We also teach you how to use policy in the recognizing of claims, with a video walkthrough that will help solve many potential problems. Knowing policy will help you to expand the scope of your claims, but most problems are solved by recognizing damage that is covered by doing a complete inspection of your client's home. Putting in a claim that the homeowner didn't think was covered can oftentimes help solve problems with damage that the homeowner contacted you for. This is only possible with a good understanding of policy. The reason we give you so many ways to learn is that everyone learns differently. Some people learn visually, and others audibly, and we want you to be able to learn no matter how you learn or where you learn. Because we are on a website, you can be at the claim location and get answers when you need them. With an MP3 player, you can learn even while on the road, away from your PC. We break down learning to its smallest part so that anybody can learn. You need to check out the next video on estimating and scope. Remember, knowledge learned and used gives you power.